Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can sign up to monday.com. For that, guys, just launch monday.com, https monday.com. Here, just click on here, get started. It will ask you for your email ID. So you can add your company email ID or you can just click on continue with Google here since I have Google account. So I'll choose my Google account here. So I'll just click on continue. So hey there, what brings you today? If you want for work, personal, school, or profit, let me just write work. So what describes you in the current role? Team member, click on continue. How many people are in your team? So I'll write 2 to 5. How many people in your company you work for? Let me write 20 to 49. Click on continue. So here, what would you like to manage first? Let me click on ID. Let me click on continue. Select what you would like to focus on the first. So I would like to focus on task management, resource manage. Okay, let me go to task management. Click on continue. Does your business require sending email to marketing campaigns? For now, no. Click on continue. How did you hear from us? So let me just click YouTube, click on continue. So I'll add the team later. So I'll just click on remind me later. So I'll just write as a project, click on next, select the relevant columns. Yeah. So what are the default columns are there? We can select, you can also select priority, timeline, last updated, next. So project overview, the project will look like this. Click on next. So I want tabular. So yeah, we can go for table for now. Let me add a calendar. Okay, only one we can select. Table for now. Okay, let's get started. I've successfully signed up to monday.com. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.